on this episode of On the Spot Outdoors. Back out with Dylan again. Oh, there's Dylan. Doing a bit of camping on the part of the Montreal River. Got our canopy set up here. Got our tent. Dylan, we just finished eating our breakfast there. We had a couple of pork sausages. A little bit of camp scenery. We came in last night to set up, but it was way too dark to do any sort of filming, so I just left it till this morning. And that's about it. We're out here. Main goal is catch walleyes. That's about it. It's the first walleye trip that me and Dylan have ever done together. Yeah, so hopefully we're able to duck into at least a couple walleyes or some nice perch or something. But we're gonna clean up camp a little bit and then we'll get out to fishing and we'll bring you with us. To the river. Just got a nice little eater. Nice little eater walleye. Yeah, fish right there. Hey. We'll be back to you when we get some more fish. We're in this river. It's insane. They're like small. They're pretty much the size of like a baby smallmouth. Get a close up of it, buddy. We're letting them go though. Okay, release on her. Nice. Walleye there. Oh yeah, he's nice. We have a nice little fish fry tonight. Oh yeah. We'll get back to you when we get some more. I just got one.
Yeah, little walleye.
Oh, nice, man. There we go. Lots of little ones.
Yeah, little fish sticks.
Yeah.
Ready to prick the little bastard.
Cool. Fish. Nice walleye. You kind of tell that we pulled him out of deeper water there. He's really black.
Pissed off looking.
Oh, another fish for the fry.
Mm-hmm.
Nice, man. Nice eater walleye. There's Dylan's. Time to go have a nice little shore lunch. Frying some fish. Dylan's down for the count for now. Wounds on him there. Hooked into a little pickerel. It's getting late in the day. We are down completely opposite end of where we should be. And looks like there might be a little bit of a storm coming, so should probably head back. It is 10:40. We're just out having a nice little fire. We finished eating some fresh steaks. We got a little bit of potatoes cooking here. I don't know if you can see those. Kind of crappy lighting, but got Dylan right here.
Howdy.
This is about it for the night. Nice little thunder, lightning shot there in the background. Gonna go for a little bit of pickerel tomorrow morning there if it's nice weather, but if not, then, well, I don't know. Anyways, we'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully, with some more fish.